Today we will study Introduction to MS Excel, Chapter 5 of Class 6th. This is the Excel window. We have studied about it in Introduction to MS Excel Part 1 video. Now we will study inserting a column. So you suppose you want to insert a column, click the heading of the column to the right where you want to insert a new column. Suppose you want to insert a column between keyboard and scanner. So click here, the column heading to the right. So I want to insert to the left, the column to the left. So I will click this, the right column. Okay, scanner. Click on the home tab. This is the home tab. And now click on the down arrow of the insert column here. And then click on insert sheet columns. So you will see that the new column appears and all the columns that follow, they will shift to the right. So Excel will insert a column to the left of the column, that inserting a row. So suppose you want to insert a row between sale of computer parts and name. So just click on the heading of the row below where you want to insert a new row. So let me click here. I've clicked over here. Now go to the home tab, and in the home tab under insert, click on the insert sheet rows. So you will see a new row is inserted. Deleting a column. For deleting a column, click on the heading of the column that you want to delete. Suppose this column heading I have clicked here, and you will see that the column heading, the complete column is selected. I want to delete this column. Click on the home tab on the ribbon, home tab, and click on the down arrow of the delete. Here, delete cells. Click on the down arrow of the delete, and then click on delete sheet columns. So here this is the delete sheet column. Click it, and you will see that the column gets deleted. So Excel will delete the column. Finally, if you want to delete a row, so click on the heading of the row that you want to delete. Suppose you want to delete this row, click on this heading and go to the home tab, delete, under delete, click on delete sheet rows, and you will see the row gets deleted. Now inserting cells. So select the cells where you want to insert new cells. Here I am selecting this cell under the heading keyboard, and now click on home tab on the ribbon and click on this cells tab, and under the insert down arrow of the insert, select insert cells, and you will see two radio button. So click on the radio button of an option to shift the surrounding cells to the right or down to make room for new cells. So I will first select shift cells down and OK. So you will see that the one cell has shifted down, and the space for this one cell is created because I have selected only one cell. Again, here I want to insert a cell over here in this 400 portion under the heading of the scanner. So follow the same steps. Click on home tab, cells tab, insert, down arrow of the insert, and then insert cells. Now shift cells to the right. So we will use both these top two buttons, shift cells right and then OK. So you will see that the cell has shifted to the right. For deleting cells, so again select the cell, like suppose this one. This cell I have selected, so one by one we will be deleting it. Select the cells you want to delete and click on home tab. Again go to the delete. Now this time go towards the down arrow of the delete cells and select shift cell up or shift cell left. So what do you want? I want to shift the cell up. I'll select this, OK, and you will see that the cells have shifted up. One cell is deleted. Again select this I want to delete, so select this cell, click on the home tab, cells tab, and under this delete and delete cells, and again shift cells to the left. So you will see that the cells will get shifted, that means deleted. This cell will get deleted, and in this way we have deleted the cells. So here you can see in the Excel you have by default three worksheets, sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. So click on the tab of the worksheet you want to display. Sheet 1 is displayed, I'll click on sheet 2, it will get displayed, and when you click on sheet 3, this will get displayed. Okay. So the worksheet you selected, it appears, and the contents of other worksheets in your workbook are hidden behind the displayed worksheet. Okay. So in this way you can switch to any of the worksheets. Now renaming a worksheet. So double click on the tab. Suppose you want to rename sheet 1. So double click it and enter the name. Now remove it and enter any of the name like data. I'm writing here the name data and press enter key. So you have given here the name to the sheet 1. Sheet 1 you have given here the name data. So in this way you can rename a worksheet. So suppose we have here three worksheets, data, sheet 2, sheet 3. Okay. So sheet 1 we have renamed and given the name data. Now you want to color it, right click on the worksheet tab. You want to format, click on the tab color and select any of the color. Here we have selected the red color. So you can see that the worksheet tab becomes of the red color. Okay. Now for adding a worksheet, so click the insert worksheet icon. You will click here the insert worksheet icon, and this is the insert worksheet icon. If you click it, the new worksheet will get inserted. So let's see, the new worksheet is inserted, sheet 4. Again click it, sheet 5 gets inserted. Okay. So in this way we can add a new worksheet to our workbook. Deleting a worksheet. Right click on the worksheet tab you want to delete. So here we have the worksheet tab, sheet 1, 2, 3 and this. So sheet 9 I want to delete it. I'll just right click this sheet and select delete. So if there is no data in the worksheet, the Excel deletes it immediately. So you can see over here that in this sheet there is no data. Now if I delete it, the Excel will delete it very immediately. So the sheet 9 is deleted. Now if I want to delete this sheet 4, so you will see that here there's data in this sheet. So now the Excel will prompt you to confirm the deletion. So like right click on delete, and it is asking for deletion or cancel. So I'll select here delete. So I deleted the sheet 4 also. Now moving and copying a worksheet. So for moving a worksheet, let me first insert a worksheet. Here I have inserted sheet 7. Now you want to move this worksheet, sheet 7. So right click it and select move or copy. So you will see move or copy dialog box will appear, and now select any of the sheet before which you want your sheet 7 to appear. So like sheet 1, if I select sheet 1, the sheet 7 will appear before sheet 1. You will see here sheet 7 has appeared before sheet 1. Again right click it, move or copy, like sheet 2. Before sheet 2 you want the sheet 7 to appear between sheet 1 and sheet 2. Okay. So select sheet 2. Okay. You will see sheet 7 has appeared between sheet 1 and sheet 2. Again click on the same sheet, sheet 7, move or copy, and if you move it to the end, you want the sheet 7 to appear at the end, click on move to end. It will appear at the end. So in this way you can move a worksheet. Now for copying the worksheet, click on this, right click and move or copy, and now click on create a copy. If you click on create a copy and then OK, you will see that Excel will copy the worksheet as a new sheet in the workbook and give it a default name. So if I click OK, you will see here that the sheet 7 is written and the default name is written 2. 2 is written in the bracket. So Excel labels sheet copies with a 2 after the original sheet name. Suppose this is the sheet 2. Sheet 2 I want to copy, create a copy. So the Excel will copy the worksheet as a new sheet in the same workbook. Like move or copy, again sheet, create a copy, click on this create a copy. I have checked the checkbox and then OK. So just see here the sheet 2 is copied with the label 2 in the bracket. In bracket the 2 is written. So Excel labels sheet copies with the 2 after the original sheet name. So in this way you can create a copy. Move a worksheet and create a copy of the worksheet.
Thank you.